Okay, so we've got a 2020 Suzuki Jimny GLX automatic all-wheel drive wagon in a nice sort of lime green yellow. It's the all grip, travelled 7,000 Ks. Nice set of alloy wheels, immaculate condition as you'd expect. Little upgraded grille there, and just a beautiful car. Let's take a look at the interior. So we've got multi-function steering wheel, cruise control, but your Bluetooth connectivity as well. There's your kilometres there, 7,124. Satellite navigation, reverse camera. It's a climate air conditioning. There's your four-wheel drive options as well, and of course it's automatic. Driver's seat, look brand new. Side airbags, yes. There's your front passenger, and there's your seats in the back. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.